Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, we are diving into Azure AI Vision Services and building something exciting, a React app that generates caption for image using AI. Imagine we are uploading an image and getting an AI generated caption that describe it. That's exactly what we'll be creating today. So in today's video, we are setting Azure AI Vision Service in Azure portal. Then we'll integrate the Vision Service API with React app and we'll build a small React app and where we'll upload the images and we'll see how this AI will generate the caption or how this AI will generate the uploaded image and what it returns. So by the end of this video, you will have a fully functional AI powered caption generated app and clear understanding of how it integrates with Azure's powerful AI services into your project. So let's jump right in. I have logged into my Azure account. So I'm using the free subscription and I have logged in and I have opened this Azure AI services. Here are the list of AI services which provided by Azure. So in this video, we'll create this computer vision AI services where we'll analyze the content and image. So let's click on the create. It will open a new window for creating this computer vision service. So in this create computer vision window, we need to fill some details. So as I said, I'm using the free subscription, so the subscription is auto populated. So now let's create a resource group. So I'll create a resource group as demo. Let's click on OK. Then select the region. So I'll use the region as West Europe. Then just enter the name of instance. So I'll use TS2 and then I think TA2 is already used. TA6. So now TA6 is available to use. Now let's select the pricing tier. So I'll use the free. And then let's for using this responsibly, yeah, there are some terms and conditions that we need to check. So here are the checkbox that I'll click on this checkbox and then let's click on review plus create. It will validate the details that we entered. So now in this so the validation is done. So now all the details that we entered is validated. So now let's click on the create. It will start the deployment. If you see in the right corner, the initializing deployment, and it will open a new window where we can see the current status of the deployment. So now deployment is in progress. Now if you see, the deployment is done. So now let's click on the go to resource. It will open an overview window for this vision service. So you can see the resource group that we just created, the status for this service that is active, the location that we select as West Europe, and all the details. So now if you scroll down, so you can see, if you scroll down, there are some keys and endpoints that we need to copy to integrate this with your app, or we have or created app. So but in meanwhile, in this Vision Studio, there are a couple of features that we can explore. So in that you can create a project and use these services, but right now we have already created a React app, so we just need to integrate this with our React app. So let's go to the VS Code where we created a React app. So here I have created a simple React app which will just show some plain text on the UI, and where we need to map this Azure API key for recently created service. So in this app.js, I have created this. I have used the hook. In that I have created one function, generate caption of function, where we need to map this endpoint API, and then we will see how it works. And we just printed this Azure AI Vision on the UI. So if you see the UI will look like this. the Azure Vision AI image caption generator. So we just need to upload the image, and accordingly once we click on the generate caption, it will generate, or it will analyze the image, and accordingly it will return the output. So let's copy the API key, or the key that we just created in this app. So let's copy this key and go again on the VS Code and enter the API key. Then again go and copy the endpoint. Let's save this. So once we add this endpoint API, let's go to the UI. So let's upload a image, and let's click on the generate caption. And if you see the caption, it generated a group of people posing for a photo. So likewise you can upload an image, and accordingly it will analyze the image that we uploaded, and accordingly it will generate a caption or return the output as a group of people posing for a photo that we just uploaded. So let's try for another image. So let's copy or open a new one. Let's try to open, and let's click on the generate caption again. So now a yellow car parked on a beach. So again let's try to upload another image. Let's click on the generate, and a parrot with mouth open. So in this way you can upload an image and create or generate a caption according to the image. So yeah, that's with the help of this you can create a Azure AI service. That's all about the Azure Vision service. As we have seen, you can upload an image and the service will generate an AI powered caption for it. This feature makes it easy to integrate advanced AI capabilities in your project. In fact, Azure Vision AI can analyze the video as well, creating captions or insight based on the content, making it a truly powerful tool for developers. A quick recap what we have seen so far. We started by setting up Azure AI Vision Service, creating a resource group and configuring the service. Then next we integrate the Vision API into a React app, and finally we demonstrated how the app generates a caption for uploaded images. And that's how you can use this Azure AI Vision Service in your own projects. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share and subscribe to support this channel. Your feedback and engagement really means a lot. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, have a wonderful day.